हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज का जो है टॉपिक है हाउ टू रीड इंग्लिश। मतलब जो है वी नो अबाउट दिस हाउ टू रीड एनी इंग्लिश बुक, न्यूज़पेपर, मैगजीन, इंग्लिश स्टोरी या एनी काइंड्स ऑफ इंग्लिश बुक. We should have a good method to learn any kinds of English book. We don't read fast. If you read fast, we can't learn, we can't observe. We should read any kinds of book by understanding. If we talk about myself, when I read book, I read loudly, but I read very slow speed. My speed is very medium, not fast, not low, it's medium. But I try to understand every sentence and every word because I am wasting my time. If I waste my time on this language and I am learning this language, and if I study, then I must study this with 100%. Means I want to say to you, if you are reading, don't do mistake. You also read with carefully. You should also read with focus. You should pay attention. You should find out every word. What is the meaning of this word? What is mean by this word? And what is mean by this sentence? Then we can get result. Otherwise, we can read fast and we can put book on the table. That is called formality. We don't do formality, we have to learn something. The formalities are like excuses. Nowadays I see there are many schools and many students are very excuses. Their teachers are very careless, they don't care them. When the class teacher come in the class, they don't care. They come and sit like a laziness, and they don't care who is reading and who is not reading, who is sitting and who is talking. First of all, in school, teachers should be awareness. Teachers should be responsible, because when students go to in school, there is a first responsibility to the teacher. They should care all time. Whatever the teacher teach the students, they teach 100%. They should give 100%. And they should ask every students, today what you learn, today what have you learned. If you ask the teacher every day, then any kinds of students can be intelligent and he can be brilliant students. He can do good study and he can be a good boy. That because of this reason, when the teacher don't focus, students does not also focus. Why? Because it is called, one line हिंदी मीनिंग होता है जैसी राजा वैसी प्रजा. यानी जैसी राजा है वैसी क्या प्रजा है. यानी जैसे टीचर होते हैं वैसे बच्चे भी जो है उनका इफेक्ट जो है पड़ता है. इफ टीचर्स आर गुड, if the teacher teach very well, sure I can say and I can prove myself, because I am also teacher. And whatever and whenever I teach anything, I teach my dedication. I give my 100%, because I think myself I am teaching, I am a teacher. And teacher means, very well. Teacher means it's all kinds of responsibility how they teach the students. Parents, if we talk about parents, send their children in the school for what? To learn, to develop, to learn good language, to learn good etiquette, discipline, good manner, good habit, and good company. That's why children go to school. If the children go to school and children have all kinds of bad habit, laziness, bad habituals, bad habit, all kinds of totally low, it's totally, we can say, like a rubbish type, then there is no effect. तो दैट्स वाई स्टूडेंट्स should also be awareness when the teacher be awareness then. तो here is a point something how to read English. तो आज के टाइम पे जो है nowadays we know and every person knows about कि English is its official language and how to learn English. इंग्लिश सीखना आज के टाइम पे जो है एक बहुत बड़ा जो है इम्पोर्टेंट हो गया है, क्योंकि आज के टाइम पे अगर हम लोग इंग्लिश जानते हैं, इफ़ यू नो इंग्लिश नाउडेज we can do anything, we can get job, we can develop our career, we can build our business, we can set up a coaching, tuition, schools, anything because of English. We can do job in foreign country. So that's why we can say English is a one kind of language. Because of English anybody can get job and anybody can be independent. We can say independence because this is the official language. You know, if you talk about, there are many villages and their people don't know English, and by the way if you go there and if you speak English first times, their people understand, wow, what an educated man, what a gentleman. And people understand he is very educated, he is a high qualified person, because you know village people's mentality is how much good or poor, you know very well. This is the main reasons. But nowadays village students are also learning English and they are also speaking better English, because nowadays it is a digital time. Digital time is every student has smartphone, television and this kinds of like a technique, and because of this technique, because of these sources they are learning. But they are also doing time pass. They have phone but they don't watch, they don't read, they don't watch, and they don't study by phone. They are totally waste their time. Reading, we can read in mobile also, because nowadays in mobile we can find everything. By the way, if I have no book, then I can search one topic on Google, I can search one essay on Google and I can read, I can understand this, and I can enhance, and you can enhance your skills. That's why small phone and you can find everything, all kinds of problems can be solved by phone. But how to read? If you read, then we should read very well. If you don't know meaning, you should have one notebook. You read one sentence and you should understand what is mean by this sentence. You should have you should have knowledge about tenses, grammars, vocabulary. Then you can understand and you can read, and whatever you read you can understand so easily. By the way, if you read, you should read very well, and if you going to read and if you don't know what is mean by this word, you should have one notebook and pen. You can write, you can note down your notebook and you can use in your daily life, because I do same this work. In starting, when I was not speaking English and I did not know how to read English, then my sir told me and I began to follow these kinds of tips. And reading is the most important. By reading, reading is a good habit. If we read every day, then we can get more skills, more knowledge, and if we have more knowledge about any topics, then we can speak. मान लीजिए आप जो है, by the way, if you are going to speak one topic, if you are going to speak about tree, तो ट्री के बारे में बोलने के लिए सबसे पहले आपके पास नॉलेज होना चाहिए कि जो है ट्री क्या क्या होता है, ट्री हमारे लिए कितना ज़्यादा जो है बेनिफिशियल होता है. तो फर्स्टली यू शुड हैव knowledge, skills, wisdom, then you can speak about these topics. Otherwise, you can't speak. So these kinds of vocabulary, skills, idea, knowledge you should have, and this comes from reading. If you read every day, you can find out. So whatever you read, whenever you read any kinds of book, you should read very well. You can read one page, but read honestly. Don't show yourself, oh, I have finished all this book one day. No, this is totally wrong method. You can read one page one day, that you can get a result. Otherwise, you can finish one book and you can say, I can finish my book, but you haven't got anything. That's why read one page. कहा गया ना, थोड़ा खाओ, पौष्टिक खाओ और हेल्दी रहो. If you eat more, you can be unhealthy. So that's why read one page, and you can read honestly. You can use this because one page you can find sentences, vocabulary, and skills, knowledge, and you can use in your real life, your daily basis work. Generally, nowadays I see this is the main problems in India. Small kids, they don't know how to read. Students, they have passed class 10th, interview, they don't know how to read. Still they don't know how to read, then how can they speak English? Firstly, they should learn how to read English book and how to read any kinds of word in a right way. And then in the last they can speak English. So that's why reading is the most important. If you can read better English, best way, then you can speak better way. If you don't know how to read, then how can you speak? You can't speak. That's why reading is the most important. Reading can change your life. Reading can change your life because there are the many people, they are habitual to read. They are habitual to read book, newspapers, magazines, novels, English story, and different kinds of book. Every day they read and they finish because they have habit. You can see there are the many writers, poets. They have knowledge, and this knowledge has come from by reading all kinds of newspaper and magazines, books, stories, drama, and different things, etc. You can find this. तो इस तरह से जो है, जो भी आपको बुक जो है रीडिंग करना है इंग्लिश में, तो ज़्यादा आपको जो है पढ़ने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. फर्स्ट टाइम, इफ़ यू आर अ बिगनर, अगर आप जो बिगनर हैं, अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम जो इंग्लिश बोलने जा रहे हैं, अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम जो है आपको इंग्लिश बोलना है, तो सबसे पहले आपको यू हैव टू चेकअप योर सेल्फ कि माई रीडिंग इज गुड और नॉट, आई कैन रीड बुक और नॉट. इफ़ यू कैन रीड बुक बेटर वे, तो श्योर you can believe yourself, you can speak by practice, because practice is the most important. By practice one day you can speak, but firstly you should know how to read any kinds of books, then you can speak. Thank you for watching this video.